Here is another video that has been requested for quite some time. Thought I would make it. And the individual wanted to know why a bathroom door needs to swing in. And this could also apply to other doors like bedrooms. And since I couldn't really find any building codes on this, it tells me that they can swing out if needed. And in some cases, it just might be a personal preference. However, it's almost a standard rule of thumb for bedrooms and bathrooms for the door to swing in. And the only argument I have for that would be if it created any obstructions in something like a hallway. And that might look something like this. If we had our door swinging out in the bedroom here, and you went down the stairway or came up this section of the stairway, you could see where this door, if it was swinging over enough, it could partially block access to the stairway. And as far as the bathroom door swinging out, I really don't see a big problem with it here. However, the bedroom door, I do see a problem with it. And another argument I found on the internet would be that if a door opened out from a bathroom, so if someone was in the bathroom and they were coming out at the same time that someone was walking by the bathroom door, then you could end up hitting that person. But the same argument would hold true for someone standing in the bathroom if the door was swinging the other way. So I'm not really hip on that argument there. And for those of you who might have a difficult time figuring out what I was talking about here, here's the bathroom. And you can see here where the two bedroom doors are kind of creating an obstacle course. However, the bathroom door really wouldn't be. And that problem goes away once we change the direction of the door swings. So again, not going to have much of a problem here in the hallway or create an obstacle course if the doors are going to be swinging out instead of swinging in and up against a wall. And for those of you who do know other reasons, feel free to share them with us in the comment area. Or if there are specific building codes, feel free to share the reference numbers to those building codes in the comment area also for all of us to look at.